Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Velo Labs, the law of effort. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, keep your assets safe, and for that you guys can check out the Crypto Growth exclusive discount offer on Decent. Decent is convenient, safe, and secure. You can check out their biometric wallet, which has got an attractive $50 off, and you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got a phenomenal $129 off, only if you follow the link in the description box below. By the way, folks, Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, including Stellar. I personally prefer storing the assets in a cold hardware wallet, so do check out Decent and be safe. Anyways, guys, now let's see what's happening with Velo in real time, its official handles, what's new from the community, any new info, any good information. Anyways, guys, so this is from Pure8, guys, 55 minutes ago. Look at this. Lightnet Group has entered into a strategic partnership with SCB to revolutionize cross-border payments and remittances utilizing stablecoin powered by Fireblocks. Awesome. Let's open this up. SCB partners with Lightnet. Okay. Guys, Velo or any its sister company, Lightnet, we always see they forge partnerships and basically associations, collaborations with really good institutions and organizations. Let's see what we have now. SCB partners with Lightnet to revolutionize cross-border payments. The CM Commercial Bank. Okay, so SCB stands for CM Commercial Bank. First, when I saw it, I thought it is Standard Chartered. I mean, I was a bit perplexed. Anyways, in partnership with SCB, 10x is pleased to announce its collaboration with Lightnet to enhance cross-border payments and remittances by using stablecoin for settlement on the public blockchain network. This groundbreaking project marks Thailand's first use case of stablecoin for cross-border payments and remittances. So basically, guys, an entire state and an entire country is involved, guys. Thailand hasn't ever used stablecoin for cross-border payments and remittances. Now look at this, guy. CM Commercial Bank is involved. This is awesome. Setting a new standard for the financial services industry. Guys, for what I'm seeing at the moment is that Velo is basically functioning in an environment which does not have as much regulatory hassles like XRP, let's suppose, Ripple, let's suppose, or even Stronghold, guys, because they are in the United States. Even I think Stellar is in the United States. Yeah, Foundation is in United States, and you know that the regulatory framework is in turmoil in the US at the moment with the ongoing SEC appeal that XRP is a security, even though Judge Torres ruled it is not. Velo, on the other hand, guys, you can see that it is basically functioning in an environment, in a region where not much regulatory hassles are happening, blockades are happening. On the contrary, the CM Commercial Bank or these banks are forging partnerships, and even the governments are involved. So I think that Velo is taking that leap forward for what I can see. Anyways, look at this. Setting a new standard for the financial services industry with the integration of Fireblocks custody technology. The assets are secured at the back end, ensuring top-tier protection and trust between the parties. Guys, we talked about the fundamentals. I really saw an interesting post over here from Alejandro Estrada over here. Okay, so October 17th. An interesting post, guys. I haven't seen this sort of technical analysis so vibrant, so colorful over here. Rainbow colors. Look at this. Yellow, green, purple. I mean, really multicolored. uh, chart over here. Anyways, welcome, Velo community. I present you the law of effort. Regards its chart. I hope you enjoy the ride. Join me for the following 30 minutes while I explain the 14 layers of this young monster. I may add Velo was the most requested above all projects. Make it matter. Let me bookmark this one, guys. Anyways. This chart is special because the whole purpose of it was to find the logical market structure it will have to build for the long run, composed by each layer. My goal is to serve you as a guide about what to expect over this one if a bull run were to be completed. Look at this, guys. Volume. Okay. Volume number 1. Please take notice it did a change of character since November 2022. All of its descending channel was about first runners getting out naturally as the bear market was in full swing. Velo did not have an inducement until this date, not absorption, organic sell stop. Okay. Velo Ganbox using bottom as starting date. Each timestamp match perfect, very clear. For that matter, the structure could be completed by 25th September 2025. I like how GAN uses angles as a guide. Using Fibonacci, I set up the price range and target. Left note. Look at this, guys. Awesome. I do like to modify or use some patterns as a designer, which is the main reason why I like to make them. Inverse head and shoulders has a left shoulder lower and it is very narrow. The neckline is low. You may find price target as first impulsive wave before its retest. This is the head and shoulder, the inverse head and shoulder over here, guys. And basically, this is the price range you guys can see that basically needs to be broken out of for it to move forward. Okay, yeah. Over this layer, please find what I consider a psychological line, the one that must be reached, okay, and naturally works as resistance. The other dotted line is a rope line with 3 touch points, which has confluence with GAN box and GAN fan targets. Use them as chalk lines. Look at this. I think he's talking about these dotted lines over here. This is the resistance over here. You guys can see 1, 2, and almost a third over here. And if it breaks through, I mean, it can even go above and beyond our expectations. I mean, look at these targets over here. I mean, this is insane. Above $1 and beyond. I mean, awesome. More than awesome. It is indeed phenomenal. As it is a young monster, I have used 3D Gaussian channel and time frame to identify its momentum zoomed out, currently resting upon its middle line just as 27th November 2023. If this one succeeds, it may already be at LPS. It is creating its market structure in slow motion. As I mentioned, Velo is at the early stage of its market structure development. It has been around since 2020. The whole purpose of my work is to present you the probable architectural process. Both parallel channels seem premature, as if it were building a foundation. The real deal seems to be the second angle. To complete its foundation process, the law of effort and results, Wyckoff and nature, establish the result would be proportional as its effort. The angle is going to accelerate soon. The highlighted route is my angle proposal. Look at this, guys. The angle proposal over here. You guys can see in the green over here. The red over here was the downtrend. And according to this, Mr. Alejandro believes that this is the way the pattern is going to be going if bullish momentum picks up. Obviously not financial advice. To build this angle, I searched confluence over GAN fan support and resistance lines inside the time frame I was looking for. This has been the most difficult one to build if compared against the other charts I've made for myself and now public. Velo is a young monster asleep. Look at this, guys. a beam, like a light, a ray of light over here spreading out. Okay, GAN fan, the patterns, the structure, the resistance lines, the support base, the trend lines. Awesome, guys. Really a vibrant chart over here. This would be the result of Velo at the end of this process, creating its market structure parallel channel. I would set a minimum price target at $4.33 if a proper bull run awaits. What a monster. If you like my work, please share or comment. Good luck, make it matter. Let me like it. Let me repost it as well, guys, because the efforts gone into this, I can see the efforts, guys. I mean, look at this. And yeah, guys, I believe that I myself believe in the short-term goals. By the way, I know in the long run, I do not know when in the future Velo is going to be reaching new heights and all of that stuff. But for the moment, guys, as we know the market sentiments, let's hope that it breaks through these short-term resistance levels that we're talking about, and slow and steady wins the race, and slowly and gradually we can accumulate, and every one of us reach their desired targets. So let's hope it happens soon, and let's hope Mr. Alejandro is correct and it reaches $4. I mean $4.33. That indeed would be insane. Look at this, guys. Another technical, gonna be an epic 2025 September at $4.33. I mean, I do not like these time frames, to be honest. That we never know. To be honest, we never know. If it goes there by September 2025, I mean that would be insane, and a lot of people would be happy. But guys, we should at least try and not give the exact dates. I mean, I like the technicals, I like the work of Mr. Alejandro as well. I like it, but the exact time frames shouldn't be given out like Q1 2023 here has given. Anyways, guys, shout out to these guys who are making efforts and making these charts. The fundamentals obviously of Velo are strong, and the fundamentals can take it there. It is important to note Stellar Org is a strategic partner of Velo. XLM just joined forces with MasterCard, Paxos, and the UNCDF, whilst Paxos have just joined forces with Stripe for its stablecoin platform. You're not bullish enough on XLM and its ecosystem. Indeed, guys, indeed. I really like the Stellar ecosystem. I really like Stellar. We've been covering it. You guys can check it out. In the next coverage, we will see what's happening new with Stellar as well. So stay tuned. Anyways, guys, what do you guys think about the law of efforts? Do you think that Velo can hit these price points and these levels, guys, even $1 beyond, $4 beyond, $10 beyond? What do you guys think? Do you think that it is possible? And if so, how and when? Although we do not they like dates, but anyways, when and how? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.